This is a short tutorial on how to set up passes on WodBoard. Head over to your menu and click through to memberships. At the top, you're going to click on passes and hit new pass. You want to name your pass. We're going to call ours Mobility 5-pack. Pass type. A class is where you have people coming to a class as a group and they can book in for that. A space rental, this might look like something along the lines of an external yoga instructor taking over your space with a combo of both your clients and theirs. A service, this would be set up the same way a class would be in the timetable. Services, this may be online nutrition, if you're doing mobility online, things like that. You would click through on the service that you had previously set up here. Number of sessions, we're going to do 5 sessions. Expiration period, you can choose from days, weeks, and months, and we're going to go with 6 weeks. Our price, pop it in there. Click through to next. On completion or expiry auto purchase, this is to be left blank if nothing is to follow on after this pass. If there is a follow-on product, whether it's a membership or pass, you can click down and have an option of all the passes and memberships you have set up in your WodBoard system. Category, this is what the user sees on their end when they are purchasing. I'm going to put this as passes, and this just organizes it with headers of passes, personal training, membership. You can create your own category. To create the category, you just start typing. So if I was to put membership, click to create. These 3 boxes down here, if you want your members to be able to purchase this online or through their app, leave all of these unticked. If it's an introductory offer, it's a one-off thing, they can only buy it once, you would click this box. If it's a hidden offer, this can only be bought by sending the link to the customer. If it's restricted, only certain staff members with permissions set onto this can put the member on this plan. Limit availability to the following customers. This is if you've set up a pass that is only specific to a handful of people. You would put them in here. No one else would have access to purchasing this pass. Click through to save, and your pass is created.